How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode of Tom's Flair Bartending Tips. Today, we're working on straws. Straws. Straw. Focus. Tom Dyer! Don't forget, at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you who has won the bottle from last week's competition. I won that Flair bottle. So make sure you stick around until the end to find out who that lucky winner is. I do want to say a huge thank you to every single person who commented on the video and left me a message. I did read every single message, and I really wish I could give every single one of you a bottle, but I obviously cannot. However, I have the next best thing. 3 bottles. 3 bottles to give away on this video. These are also Fly bottles. I have been using these in some of my videos, which you can check out on Instagram. So I have used these, and I'm giving away all 3 in this video. All you need to do is comment down below what was the first Flair move that you learned. Try and explain it, write it down, give it a name, whatever it may be. And next week, I will be choosing 3 people at random to win each of these bottles. So again, thank you so much to everybody who entered last week, and stick around to the end to find out who the winner is. Enjoy the video. Now, I remember when I first started bartending, we had one type of straw. It was the good old bendy straw. That was it. Okay, now you've got metal straws, plastic straws, paper straws, wooden straws, straws made from bamboo and reed and parsley and cow parsley. And let's move on to today's videos, which is straw, Flair bartending straw moves. Straw, Flair moves with straws, let's say. So I'm gonna start with the good old bendy straw. Now, the simplest move, which you can find in a WFA yellow level grading level, which is the straw spin, which looks like this. Believe it or not, this move used to get me some of the biggest attention when I used to work behind a bar to get some glassware in place, because I used to have 2 straw caddies over here, and I used to get my straws, do a double spin and place it in their glass. And that used to catch people's attention because it was quick and fast, and they didn't know what I did. So they're like, whoa, what did you do there? I was like, oh, it was a trick with the straw. They're like, can you do it again? I'm like, sure, buy another drink, I'll do it again for you. Or leave me a tip, and then I'll do it again for you. Grab that straw, and you literally want to pull it up gently, okay? Okay, you don't want to destroy it and yank it out. And then you want to bend it around and get a nice good bend on the straw. 90 degrees will work. Over 90 degrees is going to be very difficult, almost won't work. So you want the bend to be over 90 degrees like this. And that's going to help the straw spin. You're going to put your index finger out in front of you. You're going to hang the straw with the point facing away from you. And then the straw is going to spin around towards you. So first of all, I have my fingers all down here, and I'm holding the straw in place. And then I'm using the momentum of my hand. And as I move my hand up like this, I move my fingers out the way. Okay, see, fingers are out the way, and the straw will spin around my finger. The trick is to keep the momentum going. And then when you're ready to catch, you just put your thumb in place. Or if you want, you can 1, 2, 3, throw it up and catch it and place it in your drink. But that is the simplest version of a straw move. Let's move on to the next ones. So a lot of people probably have paper straws like this one, probably the same, very similar behind their bar. What you can do with these, they do fly and they do throw pretty well. So you can do a lot of different variations of straw flicks. And again, this is a super cool move to use behind your bar, especially if you have your drinks here. So if your drink is here and you want to put a straw in it, you can throw to the other hand and place the straw in the drink. So how you perform this move, I'm going to just single out one straw. Imagine that is in your straw caddy. Bring it to this side of the glass because you want to put some pressure with the base of the straw on that side of the glass. Can you see? What I'm doing is I'm holding it with my scissor fingers, okay? Index finger on top, middle finger underneath. So the middle finger is pushing the straw back and the top finger, index finger is pushing it the opposite direction. So at the moment, I'm putting a lot of pressure on the other side of the glass, okay? So I can almost push the glass over. And as I lift the straw up, when it gets to the rim of the glass, it's gonna flick out. That was a big flick. So you need to try and control that and lift it up and let it fly up. The better you become at it, you can throw it to your other hand like this, the more control you get. You can then start trying to perform with 2 straws and catching 1 in each hand. Ooh, snazzy. I mean, if you get really good, you can try and grab both with the same hand, but that's super difficult, and I could sit here for hours trying to land it just to put it on video for you. And of course I did, but there you go. The next move is using a straw like this. There's no bend. This is plastic. I think it's a biodegradable plastic straw, and it's quite a big straw. The good thing about this is it's perfectly straight, or as perfect as can be, and you can create some kind of boomerang effects. Then the simplest one I'm going to show you is the one we used to use behind the bar a lot, and this is, I'm talking 15, 20 years ago. You want to hold the straw in the palm of your hand like this, and you'll see it rolls quite easily. And all you're going to do is you're going to throw the straw up, and as you throw it up, it will create a spin on the straw, which will make the straw fly in a circle like this and come back to you. Ooh. And you can use this to throw to other people as well. Huh? Did you catch it? And then there is the ultimate move, which I don't know who first created this, but I did see a guy called Stefan Heineder first do this. And it is the boomerang straw, where you literally, he can have a guest in front of him. He had slightly longer straws than this as well. So he would be able to flick the straw, it'd go around the person, and then he'd catch it in the other hand. I'm gonna give it a shot. I've got a light up here, which you can't see, so I'm gonna try and get it around that. Miles away. How you perform the move is you're holding it like this, and as you flick, you wanna, the straw's gonna spin. The same way when you do this move, okay, it creates this sort of boomerang effect, but you get it on the side and it'll go around, poof, and you catch it there. All right, next move, if you do have a straw like a bamboo straw, simplest move you can do with that is the little thumb spin like this, which comes from pen spinning. If you've ever seen pen spinning, you see people doing it with long spoons these days, but you can do the same with a heavier straw like this, and it's a nice move to perform. If you're going to put in two straws, you can create a little spin on your thumb, and then you can place it into your drink. All right, there's one more final straw move which I'm going to show you using that black one that we use for the boomerang effect. Now, if you have a shot glass similar to this, which has a flat base, what you can do, if this straw is thick enough, a nice thick straw, you place it in the middle, but you can balance the shot glass on the straw like this, and if you are steady enough, you can almost, I'm not sure if I can, you can almost get a shot poured in there as well. Not so easy. You've got to have a great sense of balance for this one. Whoop, almost there. Some of it is over my wrist, but whoop, let's go. Straw, focus, focus. I'm gonna go with that. And that is a bonus straw move. If you do give that one a shot as well, please let me know, tag me on Instagram. And And I got it all down my throat. Brilliant. Great. Once again, thanks to everybody who competed in the competition, and congratulations to Crystal Pinheiro Arujo. Please drop me a message and I'll get back to you to get that bottle sent to you as soon as possible. Thanks again, guys. If you do give it a shot, let me know on Instagram, tag me Tom Dyer Bartender. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you very much for watching until the end. I really do appreciate it. Thank you to all my patrons who have supported as well. Until next time, I'll see you then.